this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we are installing our 10.25-inch Android screen in a Mercedes B250. We are installing backup camera in a 2017 CLA, and this is the 10.25-inch Android screen in an Audi Q5 with Bang & Olufsen sound system. And we add our Apple Carplay. Right now we are on Apple Carplay. As you can see, this is the 10.25-inch screen with the bracket that we add. And the Apple Carplay dongle is here. That's a black version, which is same as the white, just black color. It's going to be available on our website soon. And that's the Apple Carplay connected to my iPhone. And we can go to Google Maps, we can go to any other application on the phone, such as Spotify, Waze. Waze is here too. And we can go back to the factory MMI. That's the aftermarket MMI. That's how it looks like. And by the way, this Audi comes with navigation and backup camera, but we replaced the backup camera to our backup camera as customer asked to replace the camera. The quality was not that good, so we still can use the MMI knob on our screen. The other cool part is it's this part that we can change at this part to navigation mode, to speedometer, and that's the Bluetooth or USB multimedia or clock. And we can go to factory mode by going to original car. It goes back to factory MMI, so you still can use your factory MMI as well. And by touching the screen, it goes back to aftermarket mode. Trip computer is here. It shows the RPM and speed of the car, and it reads some data from the canvas of the car. And apps are here. You can download any apps. Play Store is here. As you can see it down here, that's the Play Store. Also, you can scroll with the MMI controller left and right too, or use the touchscreen, whichever you feel more comfortable. And the backup camera, by going to reverse, it goes to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline, and you can see how clear is it compared to factory backup camera. The factory sensors, front sensors are activated too. Back it's clear, so it doesn't show any back sensors. By going back to park or drive, it goes back to original screen. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we can get them installed for you, and you can come directly to our shop. Thank you and have a great day.